संसद के अंदर आज भी हंगामा दिखा। संसद के दोनों ही हाउस में, दोनों ही परिसर में, दो लोकसभा और राज्यसभा है, वहां काम आज नहीं हो पाया। कुछ मिनट के दौरान दोनों ही सदनों के अंदर जो कार्यवाही थी उस पर विपक्ष का हंगामा दिखने लगा और सदन को एडजर्न कर देना पड़ा अगले दिन के लिए। पहले हाफ में हंगामा, फिर दूसरे हाफ में भी हंगामा। विपक्ष का तेवर लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में एक साथ दिखा। विपक्ष की कोशिश थी कि संसद के अंदर विपक्ष के उठाए गए सवालों का जवाब सरकार की तरफ से दिया जाए, उस पर चर्चा कराई जाए, लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से उन सवालों को बेवजह का बताया गया। हालांकि स्पीकर ने राज्यसभा के और लोकसभा के जो एक अध्यक्ष होते हैं, जो सभापति होते हैं राज्यसभा में, और लोकसभा में जो स्पीकर होते हैं, उन्हें और दूसरे कामों को लेना था। इस वजह से उन्होंने कार्य स्थगन प्रस्ताव विपक्ष का जो लाया गया था उसे उन्होंने सीधे तौर पे नहीं लिया और इसके बाद हंगामा हुआ और हंगामे की वजह से दोनों ही सदनों में जो है वो आज की कार्रवाई जो है वो हंगामे की भेंट चढ़ गई। देखिए लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में किस तरीके से आज सत्ता और विपक्ष का जो रवैया है वो निराशाजनक दिखाई पड़ा।
Special package to address the plight of people of Wayanad. Honorable members may recall that the issue has been advocated by me on several occasions and at great length as regards operational areas of Rule 267. This was done first on 8th December 2022 and done elaborately later on 19th December 2022. The reiteration has taken place on a number of occasions. Having bestowed attention on these notices, I find they do not call for admittance at my end, and so are not acceded to. Honorable, one second, let me, I'm still saying. Honorable members, you all are undoubtedly cognizant of Murphy's laws, and they indicate anything that can go wrong will go wrong. It appears that there exists a deliberate algorithm to actualize Murphy's laws in this august House, consequently impeding the proper functioning of Parliament. We find ourselves achieving precisely the antithesis of what our Constitution ordains. In reverence to the framers of our Constitution and the innumerable patriots who made supreme sacrifice, I implore this House to permit me to proceed with the business listed on today's agenda. One second, let me go. Honorable members, what we are doing is a spectacle to people's absolute distaste. Nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record. I appeal to you in the name of framers of the Constitution, people of this country, allow the Parliament to function. Don't make it dysfunctional. The House stands adjourned to meet at 12 noon today.
माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record. Question number 61, Sri Babu Ram Nishad. No, nothing is going on record. No.
पिछले 10 वर्षों में
Okay, please, all of you take your seat except Thiru Shiva. No, ask your friends first.
61 क्वेश्चन
Ask
नंबर
your friends.
61
Ask your friends to take their seats. Ram Gopal ji, you are a very senior member. I will allow Tiruchi. I will allow you only when everyone takes a seat. No, take seat. Nothing is going on record there. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Tuesday, the 3rd December 2024.
माननीय सभासदों, माननीय अध्यक्ष जी,
प्रश्नकाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 श्री जी लक्ष्मी नारायण। थैंक यू स्पीकर जी। माननीय मंत्री जी।
The question number 81, the details of the total number of centers of excellence for skill development established
सभापति जी, प्रश्न का उत्तर सभा पटल पे
sectors they focus on, the details of the number of COEs operational in coach each state, district wise, the details of the number of beneficiaries trained by the COEs in each state, including the details of placements of employees, outcomes, the details of the financial outlay for establishing and maintaining these COEs along with the funding pattern followed for their operation, whether government funded, public, private partnership, etc. Whether there are any proposals to expand or establish additional COEs in the future across the country, especially in Andhra Pradesh, sir. And if so, the details thereof, and if not, the regions thereof. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I congratulate the Member of Parliament on asking me a very pertinent question. Andhra Pradesh government has taken substantial steps and given a lot of credence and recognition to the space of skilling. I'd like to inform the House and the Honourable Member that the entire system of giving national recognition to centers of excellence is designed to bring more visibility to impactful, credible institutions. We are providing a national recognition to these institutions. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship issued guidelines with this regard in 2019. A total of 6 COEs have been recognized, given that status by the ministry. But apart from this, a total of 202 centers of excellence have been established with the help of our sector skill councils. The 36 sector skill councils, as you know, are the principal bodies where we involve industry. In fact, these organizations are led by industry and they work in coordination under the ministry as well. Sir, out of the 202, because the Honorable MP asked me about Andhra Pradesh, a total of 8 centers of excellence have been established in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.
Supplementary. Well, my constituency Anantapur receives sunlight all around the year, sir, and it is home to 2 major solar plants contributing 62% to the state's renewable energy capacity, sir. A world-class energy university is also proposed to be established in Anantapur, owing to the region's immense renewable energy potential. Under the visionary leadership of Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Andhra Pradesh has
sector, I'd like to inform him that out of the 36 sector councils, one of our councils relates specifically to the space of green jobs, and there is a lot of potential. For instance, the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli scheme is targeting 1 lakh jobs. Our ministry is working in coordination with ministry and the scheme. Under PMKVY 4, we are targeting to create a large number of jobs under this scheme. The Green Hydrogen Mission targets 6 lakh jobs in the value chain, and 50,000 OJT training is also targeted by the mission. Likewise, our ministry is working in consonance with that scheme as well. Sir, our Green Sector Council has trained 5,82,579 candidates in the space of solar energy, waste management, wind energy, green hydrogen, small hydro, and other green jobs. The Honorable MP is asked specifically with regards to setting up a center of excellence in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I would recommend that the Honorable MP can work with the state government, can identify credible institutions that are active in that space, and can recommend the same to my ministry. We will follow due process.
माननीय सदस्यगणों, प्रश्नकाल आपका समय है। मैं आग्रह करता हूं कि प्रश्नकाल को आप चलने दें। कृपया अपनी अपनी सीट पर विराजें। सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।